Welcome to Crack My Interview, accounts interview questions and answer.
What are the different types of accounting? First, financial accounting. Second, administrative accounting. Third, tax accounting. Fourth, cost accounting. 5. Management accounting. I will also recommend you to read briefly about this 5 accounting types.
What is working capital? Working capital is calculated as current assets minus current liabilities, which is used in day-to-day trading. In simple accounting scheme, the account concept of working capital focuses on capital resources that given company can count on short term to operate. These resources owned by company are the cash, the portfolio of the financial product, and other investment made by the company. What is TDS? Where do you show TDS on balance sheet? TDS, tax deducted at source, is concept aimed at collecting tax at every source of income. In balance sheet, it is shown in the asset section right after the head current asset. What is difference between inactive and dormant account? Inactive accounts are which are closed and will not be used in future, whereas dormant accounts are not currently functional but may be used in future.
What are the trade bills? These are the bills generated against each transaction. It is a part of documentation procedure for all types of transactions. What is an MIS report? It is an acronym for Management Information System, and the report is generated to identify the efficiency of any department of the company. Tell me the golden rule of accounting. Just mention the statement. This accounting interview question test your professional view of the subject. You can mention by elaborating on this accounting interview answer on 3 golden rules of accounting. First one, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Second, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Third one, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gain. Question number 8. What are the bill receivable? Bill receivable are the process or payment which a merchant or a company will be receiving from the customer. When replying to account interview question, be very specific and don't talk about the generic stuff. What is debit note? A debit note or a debit memorandum is a commercial document sent to a seller by a buyer formally requesting a credit note. The original document is sent to the party to whom the goods are being returned, and the duplicate copy is kept for the office record. What is credit note? A credit note is a receipt given to the buyer who has returned a product by the shop or seller. This intimation suggests that the buyer account is being credited for the purpose of indicated. What is Section 2094A in the Company Act 1956? This is a common accounting interview questions for beginners as well as the experts. Emphasize your knowledge as much as you can here. Section 2094A in Company Act 1956 states that every company must preserve the book of accounts together with the voucher relevant to any entry in such book of account in good order, relating to a period of not less than 80 years immediately preceding the current year. So, if the current year ending is March 2023, then the company needs to store the accounts and voucher for the following years, March 2022, so on till 2050. Thank you. Explain real and nominal accounts. A real account is an account of assets and liabilities. Example, land account and building account, etc. A nominal account is an account of income and expenses. Example, salary account, wages account, etc. Thank you for watching this video. All the best for your interview. I just included few of the common questions which asked in the during the interview of accounts. I will recommend you to go through different websites, different kinds of blogs to gain some knowledge and idea about your interview. And also I'll recommend to visit company's website before visiting. Thank you for watching.